In this video, we'll be talking about the advantages and the disadvantages of partnership business. Advantages of partnership business. One, in a partnership business, there is ability to raise enough capital or be needed for the establishment of the business. There is joint and better decision because the partnership number exceeds 2. Then there is ability to raise loan when needed. There is also risk sharing amongst the members in the partnership business. Likewise, there is continuity advantage to a partnership business. Then also we also have diversity of talents. Each partner in a partnership business will definitely have different areas of creativity and specialization. And now to the disadvantages of partnership. A partnership business can experience the problem of limited capital. You may have limited capital to continue running the business and its affairs. Then also disagreements between partners can also be a great advantage to the smooth running of a partnership business. Then death or withdrawal of a partner is also a disadvantage to the partnership business. Also, poor management. Poor management can also or is a disadvantage to partnership business. Then, how do partners raise capital for the smooth running of their business and for expansion? The first one is personal contributions amongst the partners, since they run the business together. And then through loans, they can seek for loans from banks, from family members, from friends. Also, they get capital by plowing back the profits made in the business, plowing it back into the business for smooth running of the business. Partners also source for capital through trade credit, also through admission of new partner. When a new partner is admitted into the business, its contribution is also a source of capital for the business. And lastly, we'll be talking about the dissolution of partnership. What will lead to the dissolution of partnership business? That is, to the complete end of a partnership business. 1. Expiration of time. Some partnership business, actually from the beginning of starting the business, some of them have a number of years stated down legally they want to use in running the business, and they have stipulated profits they intend to get as a result of running the business. So at the end of the time stipulated in their written agreement, the partnership business can be dissolved. Also, death or bankruptcy of one of the member, especially a general member or an ordinary member, the death or bankruptcy of such or more than one partner can lead to the dissolution of partnership business. If a partnership business is also declared illegal, or its act declared illegal by the government of the country, it can also be dissolved. Then when a partnership business runs at loss, such business can also be dissolved. Then when one partner applies to the court, applies for court order for dissolution of the business, it can also lead to dissolution of such partnership business. Then when there is joint agreement between the partners to dissolve the business, such agreements can lead to the dissolution of partnership business. In the case of retirement or withdrawal of a general partner or an active partner from the partnership business, it can lead also to the dissolution of the partnership business. And in the case of death of an active partner, such can lead to the dissolution of the partnership business. Now we'll talk about the differences between sole proprietorship and partnership. Firstly, ownership. A sole proprietorship is business is owned by and controlled, likewise financed by one person who is a sole proprietor or a sole trader. While ownership of partnership business is not limited to one person, rather it's owned by 2 to 20 persons. Then liabilities of sole proprietorship is limited to just one partner. That is, the owner of the business bears the all business liabilities alone. While in partnership business, they are shared amongst the partners in the business. Then in the aspect of capital, a sole proprietorship needs little capital to start and run its business, while partnership business needs a large amount of money to start and run its business. Then in risk bearing, under sole proprietorship, the sole trader bears the business risk alone, while in partnership business, risk bearing is shared amongst the partners. Thank you. In the next video, we'll be talking more about the other forms of business units.